Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring why garden pest populations tend to be lower in cooler seasons. As the days shorten and temperatures drop, a dramatic shift occurs in the lives of these tiny creatures. From the smallest aphids to the most persistent slugs, the challenges of winter touch the lives of all garden dwellers. Let's dive into the main reasons behind this phenomenon and discover the secrets of the garden during the cooler months.
The coming of cooler temperatures heralds a period of significant change for many garden inhabitants, especially cold-blooded insects. Their metabolism, so reliant on external warmth, begins to slow dramatically. Picture a colony of aphids, once teeming with frenetic energy, now moving as if in slow motion. This slowing down is not a choice, but a physiological necessity. As temperatures drop, so too does their ability to produce the energy needed for their usual frantic pace of life. The instinct to reproduce, so powerful in the warmer months, is also quelled by the cold. The intricate dance of courtship and mating, the laying of eggs, all are put on hold as winter tightens its grip. For many insects, warm temperatures are vital for the development of their young. As the days grow shorter and the nights grow colder, the opportunity for successful reproduction dwindles. By curtailing reproduction during the lean months, they ensure that their offspring are not born into a world where survival is impossible.
As winter approaches, a remarkable transformation takes place in the lives of many garden pests. They enter a state known as dormancy or diapause, a period of suspended animation, a deep sleep that allows them to weather the harshest months. Some insects, like ladybugs, gather in large groups, seeking shelter in protected spots. Others burrow deep into the soil, creating cozy chambers where they can escape the cold. The garden, now seemingly devoid of life, harbors these sleeping wonders, awaiting the signal to awaken once more.
While some pests have evolved remarkable strategies to survive the cold, others are not so fortunate. Winter's icy breath can be a death knell, particularly for those caught unprepared. Freezing temperatures can be lethal, turning the fluids within their bodies to ice, destroying delicate tissues. Those that haven't found adequate shelter or whose reserves of energy have been depleted are particularly vulnerable. The garden, now a battleground between life and death, sees its fair share of casualties. Even in the depths of winter, however, life finds a way.
The lush abundance of the warmer months, a veritable feast for garden pests, fades with the arrival of cooler temperatures. Plants too sense the changing seasons, and many enter a period of dormancy, their growth slowing or ceasing altogether. Leaves wither and fall, flowers fade and fruits disappear, leaving behind a landscape stripped bare. For herbivorous pests, this means a drastic reduction in their food supply. This scarcity of food adds another layer of difficulty to the lives of garden pests, forcing them to conserve energy and make the most of the limited resources available.
The warmth of summer often brings with it high humidity, a boon for many garden pests that thrive in moist conditions. But as temperatures drop, so too does the amount of moisture in the air. This decrease in humidity can be a significant challenge for some pests, making it harder for them to maintain their internal water balance. Some, like slugs and snails, are particularly susceptible to drying out, their soft bodies losing moisture to the air. This added pressure from the environment further underscores the challenges faced by garden pests during the cooler months.
As we've seen, the cooler seasons bring about a period of significant change in the garden, impacting the lives of pests in a myriad of ways. From reduced metabolic activity to dwindling food sources, the challenges they face are many. Yet despite these hardships, life persists. The garden, though quieter and seemingly less vibrant, still teems with unseen activity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.